these lipsticks, like these are liquid lipsticks from Seven Heaven. These are their Color Stay 2-in-1 liquid lipstick. So this has a liquid lipstick portion, and then they also have a gloss in it. So I've never used this gloss except for like once or twice from this one. So I don't think this one is at all required. It is good enough to be used on its own. So let's get started with these liquid lipstick. I have posted a snap of mine with this one on Instagram, I guess on Wednesday, and a few of you were asking me what color it is, and I also posted this on the Poso, and yeah, everybody was asking me what color was that. So this one is in the shade Coral Flush, and it is a beautiful orange shade, and this is in the shade Rusty Rose, and this one is the one which is on my lips right now, and it is a beautiful dusky rose kind of a color. I really like this more than this one, because this was the first one that I bought, and then I was so happy with this lipsticks, like this liquid lipstick, that I went ahead and bought another shade of it, which is in the shade Coral Flush. Also, I'm planning to buy a few more shades of them, like more towards the brown tones or mauvish shade, because I am so much into these liquid lipsticks. Let's talk about first the packaging. The packaging is really nice. It has this liquid lipstick part, and then it has this gloss part. You can use both of them together. You can use both of them together, or you can use them individually, like just the gloss part or just the liquid lipstick part. For me, it is just the liquid lipstick part. I do not use the gloss ever, like ever. Packaging is really nice. It is like a screw opening, like you have to unscrew it to open it, like both the sides of it. You have to just unscrew it, and it comes out like that. So that was about the packaging. Another price point, it is like these are really affordable liquid lipsticks. I guess I got these from Amazon.com, and I got them for like 240 rupees or 250 rupees, and they're also available on Flipkart at the same rate, but I guess you have to pay some kind of delivery charges, 50 or 60 rupees, so it comes around to be 300 rupees, which is also like quite affordable for a liquid lipstick, given they are so amazing, like seriously so amazing. Let's talk about the amazingness of these lipsticks. Okay, so I have been using this one for almost like 2-3 months. This also featured in my monthly favorites video, I guess, or I did a haul video. I don't remember much, but yeah, this featured somewhere in my videos. They glide on your lips like dream, like seriously, they just glide on your lips like dream. I'll just insert a video of me applying this lipstick. It is so smooth when you apply it on your lips. They do not patch at all. Like in a single stroke you will get a perfect coverage, and they dry out pretty soon. There is no smell whatsoever in these lipsticks, like neither they have a good fragrance, no do they have a chemical sort of a fragrance. So this is a really plus point for them. They glide on really well. They are really smooth in application. The applicator is really good, like it has a flat top. Unlike, like I have seen few which are either just flat or like they are round, but this one has like a flat top. If you guys can see, it has a flat top, which makes the application really easy and smooth and hassle free. So a thumbs up for the just for the applicator. And yeah, the only downside about these lipstick is that they are a bit sticky in the inner parameters of your mouth, if that makes sense, like where the lips end in the mouth, like where there is a bit of wetness there, the lips this lipstick is a bit sticky. Otherwise it is waterproof, like this claim as well, that it's a waterproof liquid lipstick. So it is waterproof, it doesn't transfer at all, like see, it doesn't transfer. This is how much like you can eat or drink easily, and it is not going to go anywhere, except that you will feel a bit of stickiness around the corners of your mouth and inside your mouth because of the lipstick. It doesn't dry out actually on those areas because of the wetness. So that's just one down point. Apart from that, these are super affordable and super beautiful and they just glides on like a dream. So really I would, like, if I were to give points out of 5 to these liquid lipstick, I would surely give them like a 4, because just one negative because of that stickiness. Otherwise it is not sticky anywhere else. It is not transferable. It is waterproof. Like, I washed my face and it was there. You have to literally rub your lips to get it off. When you rub your lip, it comes out as a peel. You have to use a makeup remover to get rid of this lipstick. I'll also include the swatches of both of these again at the end of the video, or somewhere in between. I've already done, so you can see how it looks on the lips, at least on my skin tone. Like, I think these two colors will flatter any skin tone, not just fair or medium. Even the deeper skin tones can go ahead with these ones. So yeah, that was all about these lipsticks. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Also follow me on all my social medias. I am on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I think I've just started on Snapchat as well. I am still warming up with Snapchat, but soon I will be there as well. So yeah, follow me there as well. So yeah, that was all up today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will come up with more such affordable liquid lipstick in future. Just stay tuned. I shall see you next time. Take care. Bye.